Alright, kiddies, welcome back. Part number 2. 2008 Topps, Allen and Ginter. Blaster box. Got the Topps Home Run Challenge. We are looking for autographs and game-worn jerseys. We got box number 2 here. If you saw part 1, if you didn't see that, jump back there, check that out so that you can see how disappointing part number 1 was, but that should make it so we get something good in this next box here. I mean, we should. And we're going to just keep the numbers going. So we were on 8 from last video. We will just call this 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 for part 2, or second box. Alright, lucky number 9. Here we go. See that? Ooh, this feels kind of fat. I'm just going to say that right now. It just kind of feels fat. I haven't seen anything, but I'm just thinking. And it is. Sure enough. Wow. That's awesome. There you go. Relic, I think. Is that what that's called? This is a genuine relic card. Features memorabilia. Tanaka. Very cool. Especially for Yankees fan. Check that out. You can see the pinstripe. Yankees pinstripe relic. Love it. Tanaka. So cool. And I called it too. I said it was fat. I could feel it. Oh, and wouldn't you know it? Boom. So, the Ginter Carlos Carrera from Puerto Rico. Very cool. Puerto Rico. And on the mini, we got the A&G backing. So, nice pack there. Nailed the jersey. Relic. That's not the most rare one, but anyway, that's pack number 9. So that was lucky pack number 9. Let's move along to lucky pack number 10. See if we can go back to back with either a relic or preferably a mini signature red ink or a rip card. Would love to get a rip card. Oh, that little mini always shoots out. So there's Honus Wagner. Very cool. Alonso, Macadena, Arena. And there is Venice Beach. Very cool. Love Venice Beach. Right outside of the Muscle Beach. One of my first doctor's appointments was right there on Venice Beach. Got a lot of fond memories. Rode my bike back to the Santa Monica condo. Took the bike path. Not a care in the world. What a great beach. Venice Beach. If you've never been, go. They got an awesome skate park. They do the Go Skate Day every year, sometime in the summer. It's a lot of fun. A lot of skaters get out. Alright. Pack number 11. This got to be lucky, right? Numero 11. Babe Ruth. There you go. Fantasy gift or whatever it is. And look, the mini. I already saw the mini snuck out there. A little poking out. It's got the black border. Get right to it. And who is it? Acuna Jr. I'm not sure if... And there's the Babe Ruth Fantasy. That's like $1 card. Nothing fancy. I'm not sure if the black borders... I don't think they do. Someone comment below. If the black borders come in the A&G backing. I don't think they do. Please confirm or deny. Let me know if I'm out of line or not. So that was pack number 11. pack number 12. Thumbs up if you want to see all 8 boxes. I mean, we're going to do them. We're going to split them up in 8 parts, but there she is. Just a regular. You can pick this up for about anywhere between, most auctions go for about $5 plus some shipping, anywhere to $10 plus some shipping. There's Jeter, Will Clark, Andy Pettit, and batting shins. Let's flip this over and see. You know what I haven't gotten at all is any hand numbers. That's one thing I have not seen. I would love to get one of those too. I'd love to get a rip card, double rip. I'd love to get the signature book, the dual signature book, but that cryptocurrency card might be going up for auction. Just because everybody's trying to get their hands on that card, especially the gold mini that I mentioned earlier. I've seen that going anywhere from $100 to $200. I saw one person listing it for $1,000, but I think that was just wishful thinking. Pack number, name we won't mention. Ichiro from Japan. Oh. Reggie Jackson. Pretty cool dude. Met him once at Barrett Jackson Auto Auction. He was auctioning off some of his Ferraris, and he was just out back by himself eating a hot dog, walking up the stairs. I was walking down the stairs to go check out all the cool cars, and pretty much bumped right into him. He had a mouthful of hot dog. I said, "Hey Reggie, big fan." Shook his hand. He obliged, was super nice, and just went on our ways, like 2 ships passing in the night. Check this out, Ostrich Racing in the mini. We'll flip that over and we will see what that's all about. If it's got the rear back, and it does not. Regular back. Still a cool card. I think those go for, I think you can pick those up for 99 cents to $2.99, maybe some shipping. Just depends on the person. 14, pack number 14. 3 left, and box numero 2. There is Triton, Moon of Neptune, Fraser, Michael Rappaport, Furrow, Mauer. Oh, we'll check the mini. There's the Moon, Triton, very cool moon. I'll spare you the science lesson, but very cool. Look at that. We got the rare back, A&G backing on Kristen Yelch, number 75. If you want your science lesson, hopefully that focused for you. You can pause it and read to your heart's delight. I just dropped the mini like an idiot. Hopefully I don't roll my chair on it. Just blow the dog hair off of it. There you go. And that was pack number 14. 2 packs left. Let's see an autograph. I think we're just going to keep this video going until we get an autograph. So we're on box number 2. We got 2 packs left. The box number 2 of 8 boxes. We'll split the videos up accordingly, but potentially 8 parts to this whole thing. And then, not to mention, we're going to do the bonus 3 packs. I think we have 6. Yeah, 6 of those, and then we have some just those spare random packs that I grabbed, thumbed through, and thought they'd be good. There's Upton, Duvall, Benedetti, There's Ramirez. We'll check that out. There's Reggie Jackson on the fantasy. And regular. No rare. That's okay. We've been doing pretty good on the rares, actually. The only thing I want is one of the numbered, hand-numbered little ones. I'd also like a rip card, pack number 16, last pack of second box. Looks like we got a beach. Which one is it? Roatan, Honduras. We got Roger Clemens, Crawford, Perez. There's Contreras, Cubby, World Beach, World Greatest Beach. I mean, it looks awesome. Let's flip Contreras over and see. Just regular. Want want. And that was the final pack of the second box. Pretty disappointed. Alright, kids. Disappointed. We are going to push on through. Get a lot done. We'll keep the number system going here. 8. Stack these. No. So now box 1 and box 2 are combined just to save on space, and there's not a whole lot to report. But it looks like we can get 2 boxes inside of 1. So. Alright. Stay tuned for part number 3, where we will be opening up this bad boy. And it's in succession. Part number 3. We'll keep the pack numbers going. That was number 16. And we'll do another 8 packs and see if we can't get a jersey, see if we can't get a relic. We did get that one relic, I guess, but still. I want to see like the rare stuff. Bo Jackson signature. Alright. Be right back with part number 3. Love you, kiddies. Bye.